When you surrender property in a bankruptcy, you need to return that property back to the creditor. Generally speaking, in regard to, let's say, cars, what you would do is if you surrendered a car, gave it up, or you wouldn't have to make payments on the car anymore, you would have to turn the car back into the creditor. Usually it's a finance company. They'll usually make arrangements to pick the car up in the next 2 to 3 weeks after you file the bankruptcy. In regard to a house, you would eventually move out of the house, and eventually the mortgage company would end up foreclosing on the house. The good thing about filing a Chapter 7, though, or Chapter 13, most of the deficiency balances are wiped out, or that the creditor cannot come back after you later on request you to make payments in regard to the deficiency balance.